Well, Indonesia has managed to exceed its 2022 investment target, attracting more than 1,200 trillion rupiah in investments, with investments surging in the metals and mining sectors, while investments into provinces outside of Java dominated, signifying equal growth and development. Now, this year, the Indonesian government has set an even higher investment target of 1,400 trillion rupiah, and the Indonesian Minister of Investments, Bahlil Lahadalia, said he is optimistic that Indonesia can reach that target, especially if economic stability can continue to be maintained. Despite many global economic challenges and uncertainties, with soaring global inflation due to the ongoing pandemic and Russia's war on Ukraine pushing up energy and food prices, in 2022, Indonesia still managed to achieve the seemingly improbable, attracting the highest amount of investments in the country's history. Exceeding the target set by the National Development Planning Ministry and President Joko Widodo, Indonesia attracted over 1,207.2 trillion rupiah in investments in 2022. This marked a 34% increase compared to the previous year, while this record-high investment also managed to create over 1,305,000 jobs.
Secara year on year tumbuh 34%. Ini salah satu pertumbuhan investasi yang terbesar. Dan untuk Indonesia, ini sepanjang sejarah Republik ada, ini yang paling besar, 34%. Dengan penyerapan tenaga kerja 1.305.101 orang. Nah, angka ini nggak boleh kita ngomong salah ini. Di mana PMA-nya akumulatif, PMA-nya sebesar 654,4 triliun atau setara dengan 54,2%.
In a year filled with global economic challenges, foreign investments still managed to dominate, with 654.4 trillion rupiah in investments, making up 54% of total investments into Indonesia. Foreign investments also grew 44% compared to the previous year. Singapore were once again the number one foreign direct investor into Indonesia, with $13.3 billion in investments, a 41% increase compared to 2021. And even amid slowdowns in their economy, China was the second highest source of foreign investments into Indonesia, with $8.2 billion, a yearly increase of 156%. Hong Kong moved down to third, followed by Japan, while the United States moved down from fourth to sixth place with $3.02 billion in investments. Malaysia then moved up to become the top 5 highest investor into Indonesia with $3.3 billion, although much of it was South Korean investments, with South Korea's Lotte Group distributing investments from its hub in Malaysia last year. In terms of sectors, the base metal, metal goods, and non-machinery tool sectors received the most investments in 2022 with 171.2 trillion rupiah. The mining sector received the second most investments with 136.4 trillion rupiah, much of it due to the development of Indonesia's downstreaming industry, processing commodities such as nickel and copper into higher valued goods. In 2023, Indonesia have further raised their investment target to 1,400 trillion rupiah, and Indonesia's investments minister said that downstreaming will be an important part of reaching that goal.
Di mana kita memulai hilirisasi ini dari sektor pertambangan, nikel, koper. Sekarang kita sudah masuk ke batu bara untuk DME, dan ke depan kita akan membuat hilirisasi ini tidak hanya di sektor pertambangan, tapi di perikanan, perkebunan, pangan, oil and gas, ada 8 sektor hilirisasi. Kalau negara kita mau maju, jadi dan nggak bisa simultan sekaligus karena memang FDI kita terbatas. Maka kita fokuskan aja ke hilirisasi di sektor pertambangan. Berkali-kali dalam pemaparan saya memberikan contoh. Dulu ekspor kita ke Tiongkok pada 2016-2017 defisit kita berapa? 18 miliar US dollar. Tahun 2021 defisit neraca perdagangan kita dengan Tiongkok.
Continuing the previous year's trend, in 2022, investments outside of Java were still higher than investments on the island of Java, signifying more equitable growth and development across Indonesia. Indeed, investments outside of Java reached 636.3 trillion rupiah, making up 52.7% of total investments. In fact, the Central Sulawesi province received the highest amount of foreign investment funds at $7.5 billion and was also the third highest target of overall investments, receiving over 111.2 trillion rupiah in 2022.